onto a PDF. This file has all the door and window details used in a project. Because the same details are often used for more than one project, this drawing is an excellent candidate for a hyperlink. I switch to the Output tab on the ribbon. I select Export PDF. I browse to where I want to save the file and click Save. I can use the tabs on the top of my display window to quickly switch between drawings. I switch to the elevation drawing. I'm going to start by placing a rectangle to define a callout for the door. I switch to the Home tab on the ribbon. I select the rectangle tool from the Draw panel on the ribbon. I right-click and select Fillet. I enter 100 for the radius value of the fillet. I then place my rectangle. This creates a rectangle with the corners already filleted. The rectangle tool will now retain that fillet option with the radius value until it's been changed. I type Tool Palettes to launch the tool palette. I'm going to place a callout bubble from the tool palette. To place the callout, I just drag and drop it to the right of the rectangle I drew. Then I'm going to add a polyline to connect the callout rectangle to the callout bubble. I set Ortho on the status bar. I type PL for polyline. I select the midpoint of the rectangle as the start point. I move my cursor to the right and click to place the endpoint. I use the Move tool to adjust the position of the callout so it is connected to the horizontal polyline. I select the Move tool from the Modify panel on the ribbon. I select the callout bubble and press Enter. I select the west quadrant of the bubble as the base point and the endpoint of the polyline as the new location. I want to add a hyperlink to the PDF I just created. I type Hyperlink. I select the callout bubble. I click Enter. I type Door Detail in the Text to Display field. I click the Browse for File button on the dialog box. The PDF file I just created is located in this PDF folder. I select the file and press Open. I click OK to close the dialog box. When I hover over the callout, it shows a link to the PDF. I click Control and left click to go to that link, and voila! The PDF opens. Hyperlinks are easy